Hey everybody, Jay here and welcome to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be cleaning this lovely dirty oven here. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So I first started with, of course, taking out the racks because you can't clean the oven without it. Then you see how all this looks here. See how all it is? Look at this. This is baking soda. This was me trying to clean out the oven months ago. And I just made a mess. A complete mess. And I love it, unfortunately. So now it is time for me. I'm going to use the vacuum cleaner because I don't have a handheld one. But I'm going to use my vacuum cleaner. And I'm just going to vacuum up all of this. And then we're going to see what else we're going to do after that. Yeah. Because see, I'm not about to put all of this. Look at this. We're going to use my vacuum cleaner. I know y'all probably think it's crazy, but you know what? I don't care. I got to get this stuff up. You know what I'm saying? So, here we go. Okay, so for the most part, it got up a lot of the baking soda. When I tried to clean this months ago, like I mentioned in the video earlier, I just used way too much baking soda. So I'm just going to use these e-cloths here to wipe down the inside of the oven. My mistake, I'm going to use these. These are not e-cloths. These are microfiber cloths here that I'm going to use to wipe down the oven. Wow, oh my goodness. Look at that. What I was expecting. I don't know why I was thinking that this was not dirty. You know, it looks decent. But yeah, I thought I was going to have to be a lot more detailed than that. This area is just not looking good at all. So let me show you how it looks. See, if you're looking at this area here, this part, it needs to be cleaned for sure. It just, no. Okay, people, so this is what happens when you DIY with Jay Jackson. I'm just saying. Anyway, I changed my mind and decided not to use the steamer because I haven't shown you guys that before, so I'll show that in another video. But anyway, I mixed some Mrs. Meyer's baking soda, some Dawn soap, regular baking soda, and a little bit of water. And so I'm going to see how that does. Okay, that really didn't work like I wanted it to. Like I said, it cleaned it, but it didn't clean it. You know what I mean? It didn't clean this section here, which that's the part that I mean, it's not greasy. I like that part. However, it is still spotty right here, like a leopard in. I just got all of this baking soda all down here as well. I very rarely use this section of the oven, but you know, I don't like it dirty, so we're gonna clean that section too. First off, you know what I need to do? I need to vacuum this all up and then wipe it out. And because I don't have a handheld one, so here we go. I'm using the rest of this method degreaser here to clean the bottom part of the oven. Now that this portion is clean, maybe I will use that section. Okay people, look at how much better that looks. I mean, you know, I just wiped it down. Like I said, there was so much baking soda. It was just everywhere. And it just looked a lot better. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Thank you for stopping by. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.